How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get six-pack abs, the best tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So when it comes to six-pack abs, you guys, there's two things that require if you get good abs or not. The first one is obviously body fat percentage. Normally, the lower you are, the more visible your abs are going to be. This isn't always the case though. If you notice people that are really skinny, you may notice a lot of them do not have abs, even if they're like 7% body fat. The reason is because their abs are not developed. It's just like your arms. You take someone that doesn't work out, they have skinny arms, they're 6% body fat, well, they're still not going to have really that much separation in their arms because they haven't trained their biceps or their triceps. The same is said for the abs. And a lot of people, what they'll do is they'll do a couple of body weight exercises, maybe once or twice a week, and then they'll really try to get to a low body fat percentage. Once they get to this low body fat percentage, they're like, hey, I still don't have abs. And if you do have abs, they're really faded. What you need to do is you need to develop your abs, and I always recommend using weights if you have access to them. So the best thing that you can do, in my opinion, for six-pack abs is squat, deadlift. Those two exercises alone indirectly will get you very developed abs, but I recommend doing more. I recommend directly training them using weighted ab crunches. If you train at a gym, there's lots of ab machines that have weights on them. I used to train when I trained at a commercial gym for 2 years. There's an ab machine. It had a big stack of weights, and I just started at like the lowest one. I just kept moving my way up until I was doing the whole stack. And my abs got really developed doing that. But at home, what I do now, since I train in my basement, I get 3 25-pound weights, 75 pounds, put it behind my head, and then I do my ab crunches like this, you guys. And my abs are extremely developed. I normally do about 25 rep sets, and I do 4 to 5 sets. I'll do this 3-4 times a week. I will also do leg raises. I am considering buying ankle weights to put them on my legs to make the leg raises a little bit trickier. I will also do flutter kicks as well. Flutter kicks, you're not using weights, but in my opinion, they're still a really good body weight exercise to really see those lower abs. So again, if you want really chiseled, developed abs, I highly recommend, again, squatting and deadlifting. Both those exercises require so much core strength. And you'll notice a lot of powerlifters don't train their abs directly, but because they're doing so much squatting and squatting and deadlifting, a lot of them have really good six-pack abs. So, end of video. Thank you so much for watching.